Good evening, students. Now I am going to teach a lesson from Geography, Unit 5, Hazard. Hazard means Hazards. The R is a silent word. So when we pronounce it, Hazard. Hazard means, in synonyms, disaster. Disaster means a man, those who lost anything suddenly, that is called disaster. Okay, so hazards having the two type of hazards based on their causes of occurrence, based on their origin. The one is natural, no one can block it, no one can expect it, no one can prevent the hazard. They doesn't know about anything that it comes near to us at the time. For example, in 2004, I think in 2004, the Indonesia was kicked by the heavy earthquake. It means 11.5 scale Richters. Heavy earthquake. Heavy earthquake. That time, more than 3 lakhs and people were died in all over area. After the earthquake, it came from, actually it's a level for 11 from 11.5 Richter scale. The Indian Ocean was choked by the earthquake. So, the tsunami means T-U-S-N-I, tsunami. That word we don't know about it before 2004. Why? Because we don't get that disaster in our life. But 2004, we had the attack from the tsunami. So we came to know that it is tsunami. Actually, the tsunami name is called from Japanese. The Japanese country, almost often time they are attacked by the tsunami because the land has situated in the earthquake area. As well as the Indonesia also held at the earthquake area because that is Indonesia is on the Indonesian plate. Actually, we are living in the two plates. We are all living in the Indonesian plate. Apart from the Himalayas, that is the Tibetan plate. So when it crashed unexpectedly, we will get some earthquake level 3.5. We cannot observe it. But when receive the earthquake above 5, we can feel that earthquake, the door and our headache also will come. Okay, we get some routine. And after that, maybe after 11, this is, we cannot think about it. It's a very big hazard. That means a disaster. So, இந்த அலைகள் என்ன செஞ்சுதுன்னா, கடல் அலைகள் இந்தோனேஷியாவிலிருந்து கிட்டத்தட்ட 2000 கிலோமீட்டர் அந்த கடல்லே வந்து நம்மளுடைய சென்னையில், in Chennai, the people were usually they came to Marina for walking. They will take their dogs and everything. So many people will have their walking in the Marina Beach. But we don't know about the tsunami. It is coming there. So morning 6:15, the Marina Beach was kicked by the tsunami. More than 3,000 people were killed by the tsunami in Chennai. Then Chennai to Kanyakumari, more than 15,000 people were died all over the seashore area. And in Ceylon, the East Ceylon is kicked by the tsunami heavily. Because in those time, in 2004, when the tsunami was kicked, we were saved by the Ceylon landscape. பிகாஸ் நீங்கள் மேப்பில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இலங்கை நமக்கு கிழக்கு ஈஸ்ட் சைடில் இலங்கை வந்து ஒரு பெரிய லேண்ட்ஸ்கோப், ஒரு கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு 400 மைல்ஸ் கிராஸ் உள்ள ஒரு லேண்ட்ஸ்கோப். ஸோ அதெல்லாம் தாண்டி நமக்கு வர்றதுக்கு அது விலகினமாயிடுச்சு. பட் தி சிலோன் வாஸ் கிக் பை த ஹெவிலி. ஸோ 3 lakhs people died in the Ceylon area. So this is one type of hazard. Hazard means disaster or catastrophe. Okay. Then actually the first one is based on their causes of occurrence. The natural hazards, I told you now. The human-made hazards. What is the human-made hazards? That are caused by undesirable activities of human. I mean, we have the bomb blasting, or some spill, oil spill. Then we have the bore, land bore, the cut off the trees, so we get the landsliding. The landsliding is the main thing of human hazards. Okay, what is the landsliding? The landsliding actually happen only on hill area. The trees roots are prevent the landsliding, but the people, they want to live, they have to increase their living area in the forest. It is more dangerous one, because when we cut off the trees, we lost that climate. We don't get rain, we don't get wind, the monsoon will be changed. So these are all man hazards. Okay, so after the cutting of trees, the land getting the loose in the soil. So sometime if gets heavy rain, the land will be collapsed from the higher. So the people living at the bottom of the hill, so the landslide will collapse in the high. So the complete sand will close all the villages side also. So many 4,000 families will be died in that landslide. Okay, two types of I talked to you, two types of hazard. The one is the natural, another is human fault means I told you that. Okay, based on their origin, we will see in the next class. So the hazard means disaster தான், அது வந்து ஆபத்து, மனித வாழ்க்கையில் மிகப்பெரிய ஆபத்து. எனி டைம் இட் மே பி ஹேப்பன் இன் அவர் லைஃப். சம்டைம் accident, for example, if you take an accident, this is human error. You will see some accident, bus or lorry will closely crushed upon that, some of aeroplane crushed there. These are all human errors. Okay, but the natural error will be very and most heavy damage will be for the earth. Okay, we will get a heavy damage. So the two type of one, the one is natural and another is man or human error. Okay, and the next part 2 I will come to you later. Thank you.